Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Youcut and importing the clip you want to fix. Tap the timeline and zoom in so you can edit at 0. 1-second precision. This matters for locating noise bursts. Once the file is loaded, split the track where background sound appears and duplicate the segment as a backup. Make sure to switch to the audio tool rather than trimming video only, because you need direct control over noise reduction and gain adjustments to remove the background layer effectively. Next, select the clip segment and open Youcut's audio tools. Use noise reduce to tame constant hums, then the equalizer to cut frequencies where the noise lives, typically lower around 100-300 Hz for rumble and 26K Hz for hiss. Lower gain on only the noisy portion by -10 to -30 dB instead of muting entirely, so you preserve natural ambience. Once done, apply short fade in and fade out to mask edits, and play back at 1x to confirm the result. Finish by exporting a short test clip at the original bitrate to confirm audio quality. This avoids wasting time on long renders. If you hear artifacts after noise reduction, undo that change and instead use tighter EQ cuts plus volume automation to hide problem frequencies. Manual correction often sounds more natural. Make sure to save multiple project versions labeled V1, V2, V3 so you can revert. If problems persist, re-import the original audio to try alternate settings or use a dedicated audio editor for complex noise removal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.